factors responsible for the formation of large number of compounds for carbon. They are tetravalency of carbon, catenation power of carbon, the combining capacity of carbon both with metals and non-metals, and the phenomena of isomerism, exhibiting isomerism. These factors makes the carbon to form large number of compounds. Tetravalency of carbon. Carbon atomic number 6. Its electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. It has 4 valency electrons. Hence, we can expect 4 bonds for carbon. That means carbon exhibits tetravalency. Maybe as 4 single bonds, which results in alkanes and their derivatives, and maybe double bond, alkenes and their derivatives, triple bond, alkynes and their derivatives. Likewise, carbon, it can form large number of compounds. Catenation. The self-linkage among the atoms of the same element to form long chains, branches and ring structures is called catenation. The element with highest catenation property is carbon. Simply we can say C for carbon, C for catenation. The highest catenation property of carbon is due to C bond C, high bond energy. So, due to high bond energy. Hence, carbon forms long chains, branches and ring structures, which results in the formation of large number of compounds for carbon. Ability of carbon to combine both with metals as well non-metals results for carbon large number of compounds. For example, carbon combines with metals like aluminum, beryllium, calcium, magnesium. It results in carbides. Likewise, carbon can combine with non-metals such as hydrogen, chlorine, oxygen, results in several compounds. And even in some cases, both metal and non-metal together with carbon, say for example, Grignard reagent, ethyl magnesium iodide, so called Grignard reagent. Hence, ability of carbon to combine both with metals as well non-metals results in large number of compounds for carbon. So, compounds of carbon exhibit isomerism. For example, butane has 2 isomers and the corresponding butyles 4 in number. Pentane has 3 isomers and the corresponding pentyles 8 in number. It results in large number of compounds for carbon due to the presence of isomers. The large number of carbons, it is because of both natural source as well artificial preparation of compounds of carbon. Here, natural source of organic compounds, it includes right from animals as well from plants. So, here from this origin, animals and plants, we have petroleum in the earth's crust contains alkanes, charcoal in the earth crust contains arenes, and fats and oils, they are esters of glycerol, proteins, they are polymers of amino acids, carbohydrates which include monosaccharides, disaccharides, polysaccharides which include starch and cellulose, vitamins, hormones, lipids, so on, results in large number of compounds for carbon. Hence, tetravalency, catenation power, ability of carbon to combine both with metals as well non-metals and exhibiting isomerism makes carbon to have large number of compounds which include both natural as well artificial.